In this video, I'll be showing you how to fade in and out a video in Premiere Pro. The first method is to use an effect. Start by opening the Effects panel. If you don't see it, then click Window and select Effects. Search for Film Dissolve. Click and drag the standard film dissolve to the front or end of your clip. The cursor icon will change, letting you know when to let go and apply the effect. I'll be adding the effect on both ends of my clip. If you can't see the transition icon, then move your playhead to the end of the video you added the effect to. Drag in the bottom slider points to zoom in. You will now see a box on the end of your clip. If you play over this part of the clip, the video will fade in or out. Hovering over the side of the box and dragging it out will increase the length of the fade. With the transition selected, you will notice various settings in the Effects Controls panel. Here you can set an exact duration for the fade. To do this, select the Duration box and change the time. I'll be using 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can also use opacity to fade in and fade out a video. Move the playhead to where you want the video to start fading in or out. Select the clip if it isn't already. Expand the opacity options in the Effect Controls panel. Click the stopwatch. To fade in the video, set the opacity value to 0. If you are fading out the clip, then set it to 100. Move the playhead forward to where you want the fade to finish. If you are fading in a clip, set the opacity to 100. For fading out the clip, set the opacity to 0. When fading in or out a video with opacity, you have the option to smoothen out the effect. This can be done by right-clicking on the second keyframe and choosing Ease In. If you don't like how this looks, you can always set it back to linear. Your video will now fade in or out in Premiere Pro.